This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Jayne Ventresco. Looking to be away from the traffic and noisy day-to-day living? This home is the answer. This is a great 4-bedroom, 2-bath home ready for you to add your personal touch. Split floor plan provides privacy from the other bedrooms. The home also features separate living and dining areas, laundry room inside home with a laundry tub. Just minutes from Bell Blvd and Milwaukee Blvd, and Street Road 82 allows short drives to grocery stores, schools etc. This is a must-see. For more information, review the details below.